Normalize rest without guilt. Rest isn't laziness. It's essential for your healing, your energy, and your peace of mind. Rest isn't laziness. Taking a break doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're giving your mind and body space to breathe. Burnout is not a badge of honor. Burnout isn't something to be proud of. Pushing yourself past your limits doesn't prove your worth. Rest is productive. Rest restores your strength. It makes you more creative, more present, and more capable. Rest is productive. Healing needs rest. Your body heals when it's given time to rest. Your mind clears when it slows down. Your spirit grows when it's still. Let's normalize this. Rest without guilt. Because your worth is not measured by exhaustion. It's strengthened by renewal.